Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Are you thinking of renting out a room, clinic, or office? You may not need a full retail or commercial lease to cover your arrangement. Instead, a shared office space or license agreement may better suit your needs. There are key differences between a lease and a license agreement. Generally, a license does not give the person you are licensing the space to exclusive possession of the area. A lease, on the other hand, provides the tenant with exclusive use of the premises and vests an interest in the land itself. Most leasing transactions in Australia are heavily regulated. For instance, residential, retail and commercial leases are governed by specific laws. These laws attempt to provide minimum rights and protections to tenants. Often, they can be quite onerous on landlords. Licenses are a much more flexible arrangement. They do not fall under the scope of the residential, commercial or retail leases legislation, and this can be a huge positive for the landowner. Be warned, if you are licensing a room or space to another person, you cannot dress a lease in the clothing of a license. That is, simply calling a lease a license is not a way to escape the regulations of different kinds of leases. The circumstances surrounding the arrangement must be in line with what is considered to be a true license. When entering into an agreement, it's important for you to figure out what is right for you. If you do not enjoy the right to occupy space exclusively, then a license is likely the best option going forward. If you'd like to learn more about when to use a license to occupy instead of a lease, check out the link below.